If you want to add some informational content directly in your dashboard as a custom widget, it's pretty easy now using the custom widget available for free in the Matomo marketplace. Once this plugin is installed and activated, you go to your general settings and look for the custom widget area. In this area, you're able to adapt the title for your widget and the content of your widget. You can see here the widget content support native HTML, which means you can add any iframe YouTube video or you can add any structured content. Once you've done with your widget settings, you can easily add the widget to your dashboard, clicking the dashboard button and looking for custom widget and your custom widget title. By clicking on it, it will be added simply to the dashboard. But now you want your widget to be available for all of your users in Matomo. For that, you go to dashboards and you can set the default widget selection for each new dashboard. By clicking on this, it will make a capture of this dashboard and set this as the default widget. Then you can ask your user to reset the dashboard, or you just have to wait for a new user to subscribe so they can have the new dashboard with including your widget.